In this video, let's do an overview of the Getresponse dashboard. So once you log in and you create your account, this is where you're going to end up. You may not know what to do. So in this video, let's have a brief overview of the Getresponse dashboard. But before we do that, let's look at the current pricing, because you're going to see that you can upgrade your account and the pricing options that you have are this. Okay, so just go to Getresponse and you can click on pricing and you will see the pricing options that you have here and all the features that each of them come with. So if you look here, you'll see that we have quick links that you can use to create a form, create newsletters and landing pages and so much more. And if you want to add anything here, you can just click there and you can add. There can be a maximum of 5. So if you don't want any, you can remove, maybe create a form and add a different one and then click on save. Here you can get help with Getresponse. You can click here to sign up for the free webinar that will show you how to use some various features, and you can join a beginner course. You can browse the resources, and if you need any help, you can always contact Getresponse. And if you need to add any widget here, you can click here to add a widget, and you can choose any of these widgets and you can add them. Maybe you want to see your list statistics, you just click there and you'll add statistics. You can show for all time, or you can choose for a certain period, and I'll just click there, save. And once you do that, you'll see you'll have your list stats here. You can move these ones around if you want to. If you want this one to be up here, you can bring it there. So you can change your dashboard however you want. So let me just remove this widget because I want mine to look like yours. And if you come here, you're going to see all the communication tools and the growth tools that you have. The email marketing, this is where you will be able to create emails that you can send to your list. And autoresponders, these are emails that you send on specific days, and you're going to see how to work with this. So autoresponders, these are automatic emails that you can send when certain conditions are met, and you're going to see how you can create this. If you want to work with automations, you'll see how you can work with automations. Automations basically are a way for you to automate your email marketing. If you want to put your email marketing on autopilot, you're going to see how you can automate this so that you don't have to write emails all the time that you want to send them. And you can set up webinars for your lists. You can use the CRM feature in Getresponse. You can use auto funnels. You're going to see what auto funnels are. This is just a way for you to collect emails and then maybe sell something to them, or collect more emails and then communicate with them. You're going to see about this when we get there. And then you're also going to see how to work with landing pages. If you want to see how you can create landing pages, forms and surveys, we'll look at some forms that you can use. If you want to set up ads, then you'll see how to do that, but I'm not going to look at this. And then if you want to sell digital product, courses, services, you're going to see how you can set up a store. This is a new feature in Getresponse, and you may want to use it, you may not want to use it. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to show you how you can set it up. And then files and images, this is where you can store your images. Maybe you want to sell digital downloads and you have an ebook that you want to sell. You can upload the ebook there, and then you can create a store, and the product will be a downloadable product, and you can choose the product that you uploaded there. And then under integrations and APIs, maybe you want to integrate Getresponse with Shopify, you want to integrate Getresponse with WooCommerce. You're going to see the integration options that we have here. And mobile apps, if you want to take Getresponse features to your mobile app, you can see some of the features that you will get once you download the app. So let's say you leave the Getresponse welcome page, welcome dashboard page, and you want to go back. If you want to go back, you can just click here on the Getresponse icon, and that will take you back to the dashboard. And up here, you'll also see that we have lists. So lists are where your contacts will be, and you can have multiple lists. You can create a new list. And for Getresponse, everything will work with a list. Whether it's an automation, you will have to connect it to a list. Whether it's an email, it has to work with a list. Whether it's a form, that form will have to send the subscribers to a certain list. Whether it's a survey, the survey will have to send the subscribers to a specific list. So the list will house your subscribers, and you can create as many as you want to. You can add contacts to your list and so much more here. And then reports, you can look at reports, and under reports you can just see the analytics of things that are happening in your Getresponse account. So if you have newsletters that you've sent, you can see how they're performing. If you have all these other things here that have already been set up, you can see how they are performing. All right. And we're going to see all this at some point in this Getresponse tutorial. And then if you have email drafts or any other drafts that you've created, you can find them here. Right now we don't have any drafts, but I'll show you how you can set up these drafts so that if you need to use them in your automations, you need to use them in your email newsletters, you'll see how you can just pick one and use that. And here we have an option that allows you to quickly create a newsletter or create a landing page, or you can create an autoresponder. You can create a form. All this, we're going to see them at some point. And then finally here under accounts, we have some important things in accounts that I need to talk about. If you want to upgrade your account, you've seen the prices, the pricing, and you can just click there to upgrade your account. If you want to join the affiliate program, you can join the affiliate program. And if you want to add team members to your Getresponse account, you can do that as well. But this is only available in certain packages. It's not available in all the Getresponse packages. And then if you click here to manage accounts, there are certain things that I want to show you here. For example, if you want to add a domain, so if you want to add domains for your landing pages, when you create landing pages, you can connect them with your domains. All right. So I'm going to show you how you can set this up when we get to that point. What else is important here? You can look at the login history. If you suspect that maybe you give access to somebody and they logged into your account at some point, you can come here. You can come here and look at the login history just to see when they logged in. So that's pretty much it for this Getresponse dashboard overview. In the next video, let's just get started, and we are going to start by looking at lists, and we're going to see how you can create and add contacts to your Getresponse account.